direkt wieder hinten an die andere Flanke. Kijk eens hoe groot die motoren zijn, jongens. Zie je? Zie je wat je net denkt?
ولن نترككم في أيدي أمين مطاق الطائرة ونتمنى لكم رحلة ممتعة وموفقة. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jim Fox, and it's my pleasure to be your captain on this afternoon's flight from Düsseldorf to the Dubai International Airport. My colleague in the cockpit is Senior First Officer Seatbelt Castro. Responsible for your safety as well as the service in the cabin is the Purser Abbas. He is assisted by cabin supervisors Roxana in business class and Eva in economy. Along with the rest of the crew, all of us would like to welcome you on board this Airbus A380 aircraft and Emirates Flight 56. Our expected flight time to Dubai is 5 hours and 55 minutes, reaching a final cruising altitude of 39,000 feet. You can monitor the progress of the flight on the airshow map and the in-flight entertainment system. I would like to remind you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight to Dubai in partnership with Malaysia Airlines and Qantas. Welcome back to our Emirates, Skywards and Qantas frequent flyer members. Our multinational cabin crew both come from 20 countries and speak 18 languages. If there is anything we can do to help you, please let us know. Your safety and security is always our highest priority. Please wear a closed and medical type face mask throughout the flight and to remind others to
nach Dubai willkommen heißen. Unsere heutige Flugzeit beträgt 5 Stunden und 50 Minuten. Sollten Sie irgendwelche Fragen haben, zögern Sie bitte nicht, sich an uns zu wenden. Wir sind Ihnen gerne jederzeit behilflich.
You should be seated with your seatbelt fastened. Wear it low and tight across your lap and adjust it by pulling the strap. Lift the metal flap to unfasten. We recommend wearing your seatbelt at all times throughout the flight and securing it over your blanket when sleeping, so if needed, we won't have to disturb you. It is illegal to smoke on board, including using or charging electronic smoking devices. All toilets have smoke detectors. Oxygen masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Put your mask on first and then help others. Even if you are a frequent flyer, it's a good idea to read the safety card in your seat pocket. It'll remind you of the safety aspects of this particular aircraft. Take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat, which may be behind you. There are 10 emergency exits on the main deck of this Emirates A380. There are 6 emergency exits on the upper deck. If needed, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit. Please remove high-heeled shoes and leave all baggage behind if evacuating. The safety card in your seat pocket shows the life jacket location, under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, remove it from the container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the 2 red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece and use the whistle to attract attention. In the unlikely event of a landing on water, cabin crew will distribute life jackets for infants and children. Your cabin crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out the final safety check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates.
سيداتي وسادتي، في حال انعدام الضغط في المقصورة يرجى إزالة الكمامة وضعها على الأكسجين على فمك وأنفك. Ladies and gentlemen, if there is a loss of cabin pressure during the flight, please remove your face mask and place the oxygen mask that is up down in front of you over your mouth and nose. Thank you. gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport, where the local time is 10 minutes past midnight and the outside temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the sign has been switched off. Due to local regulations, please keep your face mask on when you're leaving the aircraft and inside the terminal building. Thank you for flying Emirates, partnership with Malaysia Airlines and Qantas. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Please keep a safe distance.
Willkommen am Flughafen von Dubai. Die aktuelle Ortszeit ist 12:10 Uhr und die Außentemperatur beträgt 36 Grad Celsius. Bitte bleiben Sie zu Ihrer Sicherheit so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis das Anschnallzeichen erloschen ist. Vielen Dank, dass Sie sich für Emirates entschieden haben. Wir hoffen, Ihnen hat der Flug mit uns gefallen und wir freuen uns darauf, Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen. Auf Wiedersehen.